Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So once again, I have another eyeshadow look for you guys. So first and foremost, I'm just going to be priming my eyes with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer. Basically, I forget the exact name, but whatever. So then I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette to achieve this eyeshadow look. And as you guys can see, I'm excited. So first and foremost, I'm going to be going into my AOA Studio brush, and I believe that's the E1112 or 1113, and I'm just going to be using that orange color and placing that on my crease slash, like it's going to be like my crease slash transition color, if that makes sense. Then I'm just going to be dipping into that red color, and I'm also going to put that directly on my crease, and I'm just going to make sure I really pack that red on because I want it to be really noticeable and vibrant. So it's packing it on, packing it on, packing it on, all that fun, good stuff. And I forgot to mention that I use the Luxie, I believe it's the 121 brush, and then I'm going back in with the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer. That's what the precise name is. Anyways, and then I'm going to be using my E11 as 122 brush, so it's like a small flat angled brush. Then I'm just going to dip that on the applicator from the eyeshadow primer, and then I'm just basically going to use that to cut my crease. Like after everything was said and done, I realized that like where I cut my crease on my left eye is different from where I cut my crease from my right eye. Like I don't know if you guys can tell me, hopefully not, but basically like this crease that I'm doing on camera for you guys now is actually lower than the first crease I did. So like that's kind of bugging me a little bit, but I already did all that time and effort to do it, so oh well. And then I'm going back in with that orange color, as you guys can see, and I'm basically going to pack that on the middle slash inner corner of my eyelid. So it's kind of messy, but like overall I feel like it turned out pretty good. And as you guys can see, I'm not trying to like go all the way to the what was I gonna say? Oh, anyways, all the way basically to the crease. I like to kind of leave that white line or like pinkish line to kind of give like that extra little bit of oomph, you know what I mean? So then basically I'm just packing on the red, as you guys can see. Next, I'm just gonna be going in with my mascara, and I'm just gonna make sure that that blends in nice for when I put my mink lashes on. As you guys can see, I'm making sure that is on. And yeah, I'm feeling myself and whatnot. Anyway, so then moving on to my face, I'm just going to be using the Pond's Dry Skin Face Moisturizer. I have to apply this because I feel like if I don't, I get those annoying little dry flakes on the tip of my nose, and that is not cute whatsoever. So then I'm going into the No Problem by Touch in Soul primer, and I'm just basically going to use that to prime my face. Next, I'm going to be using my Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I'm basically just going to dot that all over my face. And then I'm also just going to brush that out as well before I go in with my beauty blender. Then I'm just going to be going with my beauty blender from e.l.f., and I'm basically just going to pack that onto my skin to make everything blend more seamlessly and have my skin looking nice and not cakey and all that fun stuff. And then next I'll be going in with my Milani Conceal Imperfect concealer, and as you guys can see, I am in the shade 150 in this concealer. I actually did a more in-depth review on it, so I will definitely leave a link for you guys to check out, you know, help a sister out, you know, if you want more information on the coverage and all that stuff, might as well. But basically I'm just gonna blend out all the places I put my highlight, And I'm also just gonna make sure that I let my under eyes sit a little bit longer just so I can get more coverage without having to pack on too much product. Next, I'm just gonna be using my Makeup Revolution Baking Banana Powder, and I'm basically just gonna go over all the areas again where I put that concealer so that concealer can set and be, you know, nice and perfect and whatnot throughout the day. And guys, this is messy. Very, very, very messy. Anyways, so then I'm going to be going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I am in the shade Chestnut. And I'm basically just going to use that to contour my face. Truth be told, sometimes I use it to contour. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I like just using a powder to contour because I feel like that's a lot more easy to control. But this time around, I did feel as though that the concealer was very manageable, so that's good. But as you guys can see, basically just added some color back into my face. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Contour Kit with my e.l.f. contouring brush, and I'm basically just going to be going over the areas where I put that initial cream contour, and then also contour my jawline, and then also making sure I get my nose. Next, I'm going to be going in with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. There is mad tape on it just because, like, when I do my eyeshadow looks and stuff, I just happen to just put the tape on the lid. So forgive me for that. But then I'm just going to go in with this fat face powder brush, if that's what you want to call it. And I'm basically just going to sweep that all over my face to kind of help set my face, help us, you know, blend everything all together. Then I'm just going to be going in with the Maybelline Contour Kit again. And I'm just going to be using that pretty blush color with my e.l.f. blush brush. I have to say that very slow unless I butcher it. Anyway, so basically just going to apply a little bit of blush to my cheeks. I'm not a big fan when it comes to like a whole bunch of blush. Like, as long as y'all see it, it's fine. And then I'm just going to be going in with my Hard Candy highlighter duo thingamajig, and with the lighter shade I'm just going to use that to highlight my cheekbones, a little bit on my chin, above my eyebrows, and also on my nose, of course. And look at that, like, look at that side profile. And then last but not least, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm basically just going to use that to set the rest of my face. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Oh, I almost forgot them on my lips, Lord have mercy. So this was out of focus, but basically it's just my like NYX, like basically like lip liner type of thing. And then I'm also going to be going in with my lip gloss, my rose tip or rose ship lip gloss. Guys, this is my favorite lip gloss in the world. Like, I don't understand why it took me so long to start wearing it. And then right on top of that, I'll be going in with the NYX Butter Gloss, and I believe that is in the color Madeline, something like that. But yeah, other than that, that's the finished look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. You know, give me feedback, comment, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next one.